Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. Keanu Reeves. Early life and background. Keanu Reeves was born on September 2, 1964, in Beirut, Lebanon. He has an English mother and an American father of Chinese-Hawaiian descent. After his parents divorced, he moved with his mother and sister to Toronto, Canada. As a child, he loved hockey but later decided to pursue acting. He started with small TV roles and made his film debut in the Canadian movie One Step Away, 1985. Rise to fame in film. Reeves became well known for his role in River's Edge, 1986, but gained major fame with the comedy Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, 1989. He starred in the sequel, Bill and Ted's Bogus Journey, 1991, which featured him as the fun-loving slacker Ted Logan and helped solidify his popularity in Hollywood. These films featured him as the fun-loving slacker Ted Logan and made him a popular figure in Hollywood. Iconic roles and major success. Throughout the 1990s, Reeves took on various roles. He starred in the acclaimed film My Own Private Idaho, 1991, and the action thriller Point Break, 1991, where he played an undercover FBI agent. His big break came with the hit movie Speed, 1994, alongside Sandra Bullock, which established him as an action star. In 1999, he became famous for his role as Neo in The Matrix, directed by the Wachowskis. The film was groundbreaking, known for its special effects and complex themes. It became a cultural phenomenon and led to two sequels, The Matrix Reloaded and The Matrix Revolutions, released in 2003. These films greatly influenced the sci-fi genre. Personal challenges and resilience. Reeves has faced personal challenges as well. In 1999, he and his girlfriend, Jennifer Syme, had a daughter named Ava, who was stillborn. This tragedy deeply affected them and led to their breakup. Sadly, Syme died in a car accident in 2001, adding to Reeves's grief. Musical pursuits and philanthropy. Outside of acting, Reeves has pursued music. He co-founded the band Dog Star in the early 1990s, where he played bass guitar and enjoyed some success. He is also passionate about motorcycles and co-founded Arch Motorcycle Company in 2011, focusing on custom bikes. Known for his kindness, Reeves has supported many charities, including Stand Up to Cancer and PETA. He has also helped care for his sister during her battle with leukemia. His humble and friendly nature has made him a favorite among fans and colleagues. In recent years, Reeves has continued to succeed in Hollywood, especially with the John Wick series, which has been both critically acclaimed and commercially successful. He also voiced the character Duke Kaboom in Toy Story 4, 2019. His ability to take on different roles and his dedication to his work have made him a beloved figure in the film industry. Reeves stands as a symbol of resilience, creativity, and the importance of kindness in both his personal and professional life.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.